Hey guys, it's Keith here with East Tennessee Flippers. Just wanted to make a short video here and update you on what's going on. Originally, when I first showed you all the shed, I was getting electrical put in and everything else. My electrician backed out due to an illness, so I've had to wire everything up myself. I can show you all a little bit of what I've done, and then we will pull an order, maybe two. Actually, it is one, and then there was one that went out yesterday that I'll just pop up on screen and thank the person for. But basically, here's what I've got done so far. I've got all of my wiring done. Basically all of my wiring is done. I've just got to run everything to the breaker box in the house. I've got some stuff that's in here that's listed, some that's not. My listings have taken an impact since I've had to concentrate on doing the wiring myself. I've been trying to keep up with drafts and stuff, but the drafts just somehow my drafts deleted themselves. So yeah. Also, not sure if y'all have noticed, I've got a new hat here. It's an East Tennessee Flippers hat. So let me know what you guys think of that. But right now, I'm hoping everything should be done by the weekend. I'm not exactly sure if it will be, but that is my goal. And then my listings should pick back up, and hopefully everything else will just fall into place since then, or from then. Also talked to Mike over at East Kentucky Picker for a little while yesterday. He gave me some encouraging advice, but just want to thank him for that, and we'll get on with picking the order. All right, the first order that I've got going out today, or the only order I've got going out today, is going to be a set of the Wall Home Pro clippers. I sold it for $22.50 with free shipping. But I ended up getting a case of those from East Kentucky Picker, which is Mike. I'll leave a link up here in the top corner, possibly. But on that one, I want to thank Colonel. He's the one that bought those, or bought the clippers. And then yesterday we had a CD go out, the doors by the doors, and I want to thank Roy for that one. But yeah, like I said, hopefully this weekend everything will be up and running. I can get everything situated. Right now, the shed's kind of a mess because I've got everything everywhere. I've got chairs in here that don't belong. I've got garbage from where I've been working on this stuff. Also, give y'all another look at what I've been doing. I've been adding some boxes and stuff up here. So I've got some of my supplies going, but other than that, everything else should be good. Maybe this weekend or sometime next week, I'll try to go live, and hopefully maybe Mike or somebody will jump on here and give me some more advice. Or maybe I'll jump on Mike's later on or something. But if Mike will have me. But yeah, other than that, I mean, everything's going as planned. It's just slower than what I was expecting. But yeah, also I'll walk you through how I'm going to do my shelving. I've got the shelving labeled T, M, B, and F for top, middle, bottom, and floor. But yeah, hopefully we can get this stuff took care of and be back on the road and get to listing, because this is bothering me not being able to list and trying to get everything else done. But yeah, also please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell if y'all haven't already. But yeah, other than that, just remember, there's always somebody else out there that's got it worse than you do, and keep on keeping on, guys.